Hello, my dear children. How are you? Are you doing well? Okay. Now, look at this picture. Who is there in it? Tell me, children. Who is Tansen? Yes, he is the musician in the court of Emperor Akbar. Who is his guru? Correct, Sant Haridas. Children, who do you think is a better musician here? Yes, the story, the Song of Songs, tells us that Sant Haridas sings better than Tansen. Look, children, here are some details about Tansen and his guru. The sentences are all jumbled up. Can you help me to put them in the right column? Slowly, gently, the exhausted musician laid his tanpura on the carpet. He bowed in silent gratitude. He leads the austere life of a hermit. His music springs from the depths of his soul. He is so firm in his character that not even his favorite pupil can persuade him. He only says, "There is someone who sings far better than I do." He offers to sing and makes a deliberate mistake. Exasperates, he takes the tanpura and sings the right note. Look here, children. Here are two columns. One is for Tansen and the other is for Sant Haridas. Let's put these sentences into the correct column. Let's take the first sentence. Slowly, gently, the exhausted musician laid his tanpura on the carpet. Children, who is mentioned here? Yes, Tansen. We can drag this sentence to this column. What about the next sentence? He bowed in silent gratitude. Okay, it is also about Tansen. So we drag this one also towards Tansen. Look at the third sentence. He leads the austere life of a hermit. Who is mentioned here? Is it Tansen? No. Then? Yes, Sant Haridas. So shall I drag this? Yes, I drag this to the column of Sant Haridas. Moving on to the next sentence. His music springs from the depth of his soul. Whose music? Right, Guru's music. So where shall I drag this to? Sant Haridas. He is so firm in his character that not even his favorite pupil can persuade him. Who is mentioned here? Okay, Sant Haridas. Next sentence. He only says, "There is someone who sings far better than I do." This one belongs to? Yes, Tansen. I drag it to Tansen. He offers to sing and makes a deliberate mistake. What about this sentence? Correct. Tansen again. So I drag it over here. Exasperates, He takes the tanpura and sings the right note. What about this one? Yes, Sant Haridas. So I drag it to this column. Look children, we have the details about Tansen and Sant Haridas here. Now, can't we write their character sketch using these details? Let's try. Let's have a close look at the column of Tansen. Slowly, gently, the exhausted musician laid his tanpura on the carpet. Dear children, it is about Tansen. Who is Tansen? Correct. He is the musician in the court of Emperor Akbar. He bowed in silent gratitude. Look at this sentence. Which aspect of Tansen's behavior is seen here? Is he reverent or arrogant? Yes, he is reverent. The next sentence, he only says, there is someone who sings far better than I do. When does he say that? Right, when Emperor Akbar tells him that he has the most wonderful voice in the world. He offers to sing and makes a deliberate mistake. Why does Tansen offer to sing? Why does he make a deliberate mistake? Can you tell me? Yes. When Sant Haridas refuses to sing, Tansen offers to sing before him and makes a deliberate mistake. It is a clever ploy by Tansen to make his guru sing. Look children, here we have written the character sketch of Tansen. Let's read it. Tansen is the court musician of Emperor Akbar. He holds his emperor in high reverence. Mesmerized by the exquisite strains of his music, Akbar says that he has the most wonderful voice in the world. Quite humble in nature, Tansen replied that there is someone who sings better than him. With half-scared eyes, he informs the emperor that they have to go as ordinary people to see the guru. He knows that his guru is a perfectionist. When Sant Haridas refuses to sing, Tansen offers to sing before him and makes a deliberate mistake. It is a clever ploy by Tansen to make his guru sing. His trick works and Sant Haridas takes the tanpura and sings melodiously. As a perfect disciple, he reveals why his guru's music is better. It springs from the depth of his soul, free and unasked for. Children, can't you write the character sketch of Sant Haridas? You can read the textbook once again and also make use of these details. Okay, write the character sketch and send it to your teacher. Bye.